What are you doing? Are you washing your strawberry? 딸기 먹어. You're washing your strawberry? Good job washing your strawberry. It's going to be a very clean strawberry. Yeah, it's going to be a clean strawberry. You're going to eat a clean strawberry. Are you squishing your strawberry? Why are you squishing it? You have to eat it. What are you doing? You squished your strawberry. Oh dear. Oh, strawberry. Strawberry everywhere. Strawberry water. It's the red strawberry water. Are you done washing your strawberry? Yeah? What are you doing? Let's not get it all over your dress. Your dress is already such a messy dress. You're washing your strawberry. Are you gonna drink it? Gonna wash that strawberry nice and clean, huh? You gonna eat it? And squish it. Okay. Yeah, your hands are dirty. What do you want me to do about it? You should wash it. Yeah. Let's get you some clean water. Mom's gonna get you some clean water. Okay. Let's use some clean, no strawberry free water. Gonna wash your hair? Clap hands. Oh yeah? Gonna wipe your face and you wipe your nose? Okay. Is it how you wipe your nose? Put a little bit of water on it and then wipe your nose? Oh, let's not put the gloves in there. Gonna get all wet. Yay! Ah. Thank you. You got strawberry on my hands. Thank you. You gonna wipe the floor down? You're gonna wash the cloth? We don't eat that. We don't eat that. That's for floors. Yeah, that's for the floor. We clean the floor with that. Be careful, it's slippery. Be careful. You need help? Okay.